I'm 38, feeling like I'm 24. So you know I was on the 10-inch on 42s and 26s, but I said, it's time to go back to my roots. 38s on 24s, let's go. We got a great selection of 2023 Super Duty trucks now available here at Akins Ford, and people ask me all the time, what's the difference between a Covert and an Everest Edition? A Covert is a level truck with 35s to 37s. It's hard to tell the difference in a lineup, but Everest Edition is at least 4 inches tall, and you can definitely tell that this is an Everest Edition amongst the stocks. Let's review. Everest Edition is about going big, 4 inches or taller, and you definitely can tell in the lineup or out in the wild that it is on the wild side. And the race red, you know, is my color and Mr. Brad Akins' color. So this one's got me fired up more than either of my two Raptors, the race red, this Brady's, or my wife's iconic silver. This one's got me more tore up, y'all. I broke out the back-to-back belt. I got the J's on. I'm all ready to review. Let's go, y'all. Come on. Some foundational things that have worked for me as a man in this world today are confidence, strength, attitude, and effort. You got to have confidence to be successful in this world. You just got to. And it gives me that extra oomph riding in a truck like this, knowing that I'm stepping out legit, coming correct. I'm not in a cheap vehicle trying to conserve, trying to contract. I'm looking to expand. I'm looking to do whatever it takes to get that wealth that I'm so desperately needing for my family, because I need options. And freedom to me is having options. And when you got many options here at Wild Willies, but everything comes with a price, AKA hard work. Nothing comes easy in this world. There's so entitlement going on right now. And me being 38 on 38s, I can tell you now, having some experience, I'm almost to 40, that you're going to have to grind. You're going to have to sacrifice to get what you want in your life. And it's not just a thought process. It is, am I willing to do whatever it takes to reach my goals and dreams? And the life that you live is very short. Do it, y'all. Do it. Give it all you got every single day. My early 20s, I was not there. I was not giving it all I had. Once I found my place in life, found what my goal and purpose was, find your purpose. That's the other thing. Find your purpose. When you know what your passion is, it's easy to grind it out because you know what your goal and what you're driven towards. So let's get it on. Race Red Beauty 2023. Stick to this video because at the end I'm going to show you some before scenes as well as some behind the scenes of the build process. But right now it's about the showcase, and I know that you may or may not love Race Red. That's okay. I built a lot of things for you all, but this one I built 100% for your boy, real deal. I mean, I got the cement 3s on today with the belt. And so I'm just so happy today, y'all. It's a great day. God is good. So up front, you'll see later too the before shots, but we painted the grille. I know the black appearance package, you can get this top and running through the headlight. I know people are unsure about that still, but you can get the black appearance package and have that in a gloss black fashion. So I knew I could not do that. I think it actually may even look better if I would have done it black, but I wanted it to be distinct and different. It's a lot of red, but I knew it was the right choice. Great job by Austin. He killed it again and did a correlating, a gate black and race red up front. Tow hooks to red. Bumper already came that way. It's a Lariat Sport. It's a trimmer as well. That trimmer valence down below. Race red to match. Inside the headlights, around the edge in race red, blacked out the amber marker. Nobody's doing it either, but did black on the inner surround there as well, and even a gate black on the middle grille portion. I'm going to add a gate black on the Super Duty up there too. Let me know what you think about that, if it'll look good. I think it'll help tone down a little bit of the red up front. Coming to the side, we'll get the suspension in a minute. Side badge, we did the 350 and the Lariat and surround, a gate black and race red. This portion here, race red with black on those heat extractor areas. This is a high output, so we have 500 horsepower, 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. Both numbers beat a stock Raptor. Unreal. Not a Raptor R, coming soon, stay tuned. But the HO, oh man, it's all there. Drove it stock, drove it customized. It will roll. It'll throw a tire harder than you can imagine. So the mirror was actually, the top portion was race red, the bottom was texture black, did race red, a light smoke on the amber side portion, black on the cap, looks amazing. You know how I do it. I love that red all the way around the mirror. Looks so much more premium. The door handles actually already came red. Much props because it's F-150 carryover. The power running board was an option I added. Instead of that Raptor running board, I just needed the extra height to get in and out. We wrapped that lower portion in black to match. Now this step here I have not used hardly at all. I don't like it. It messes up my flow of the truck. I just wish they wouldn't have done that. But anyway, we race read it and did a gate black just on the top, so it looks a little bit more detailed and classy and clean. I did a custom, Dennis did a custom trimmer in on the side, and go America always, still the greatest nation in the world. Tail lights did just a rim job in race red, didn't do any smoke on here whatsoever. We already got that blacked out from the factory. Think it looks great. This is the to be determined part. I do use this step here a lot, and I actually like it. So I'm using it a lot. If I step on it when it's painted, it's going to scratch. So I still may just bite the bullet and do it. Also, the rigid SRQs, the Midnight Edition, those look amazing to me. Great light output at nighttime with a 360 camera, and got rock lights too. Blake did rock lights all the way around. We got 16 of them, and we got, of course, that end out back looks money. What you know about that Real Deal logo? The Akins liner and third brake light in red to go along with it. MBRP exhaust with a 5-inch tip. That's a nice rolled one too. Looks amazing. Look at the 38. Oh. And the two-tone. And all black wouldn't have hit near as good. Now, a lot of you may still, again, I keep it gangster and they love it, but you may not like this wheel, but it's okay because I couldn't be happier with it. John Thompson, thanks so much, big dog, and the great staff at Wheel Pros. Look right here. Ooh. We're not riding spinners, but we're riding on the floaters, but it looks amazing. We're on the, again, thanks so much to BDS. Great guys there. We love working with them. The 5-inch, got the Performance Elite Series. Been so impressed with the ride quality so far. This is a 5-inch kit. They have a 3-inch and a 5-inch. This sits more like a 4-inch. We took all the trimmer components off. Got the new BDS radius arm that is for the 2023. Look at that BDS in the red. Again, thanks so much to Austin. We're on Nitto Trail Grapplers, 38, 13.5, 24. Big boy status, mud terrains. On the American Force Idol, gloss black, race red, powder coated, 24 by 11, 0 offset. That custom offset that is money set up. It looks so good to me. Overall, got a great stance, not sticking out too far, even though we're, elevated Everest Edition style. We're on 38s and 24s at a great combo for your boy Real Deal. Look at this stance right here. Looks amazing. Got Performance Series shocks in the rear as well. Inside of the wheel is red. The inner lip is red. I may have to run some wheel lights. We have 16 rock lights, as I mentioned, all throughout the truck. Wild Willies rock lights, put out great light. Our great Fox shocks in the back. I'm going to add some airbags back here too. Hooked the camper up to just test it yesterday, and it still squats a pretty good bit. So going to have to take that overload spring out, but definitely going to add some airbags to go along with it. That power board just gives you a lot more ease of entry and exit. I really do like that. Super Duty all-weather floor mats. Look at that startup. God, that full LCD cluster and a big 12-inch. Look at that. Oh, God, I love the interior. The truck drives even better than the prior year, and got the black leather on the inside. Gray top. Hey, got to add the starlight. We got to throw it in there too. Man, just to complete it overall. 5-inch lifted on 38s and 24s with our Everest Edition paint package. This is the Redline Everest Edition. This is a Redline if I've ever seen one. It looks incredible. Clearance lights up top. Did those in race red also. And you can see that 75th anniversary logo on the top. 75 years. Man, having the best trucks in America for almost 50 years now. But I'm so impressed with this truck. We got BDS full steering stabilizer. Even the BDS on the front, we did red to match too, to sure up the overall ride. We are on a big bolsterless with entire combo, but what a truck. Now for some before shots of the truck in the stock form and some behind the scenes. Thank you all so much. Just trying to see how we can make it a Wild Willies Real Deal custom, and doing renditions that you have not seen yet is our goal always, because we like to be a separator and take the next level detail that it requires to do things that we think is the best way. So take a look at the window sticker first and foremost, a 23 F-350 Lariat high output, you know what's up, Tremor. And I can't believe where we've gotten, y'all. $93,000 for a Lariat 350, that's absurd. This is my truck and I'm about to pay it and then some, but that is absurd. $93,000 for a Lariat. But you know, we're doing all we can to bring you the best in everything custom, and that's just, hey, you want to be the boss, you got to pay the cost. So Real Deal's in. I'm invested for you all to show you different renditions. We're going to go with 38s and 24s. You know, we got 35s already, and a 350 single wheel is a diamond to me. I'll just say the grill's gonna look significantly different, and every other component is too. We're gonna take care of that bed step in the proper way for you also. But I love the way the truck sits in the stock form. It has a good stance to it. With the Tremor package and a 350, my rear end's a little bit taller. Got an additional leaf pack in the back, so I'm excited to see how this thing tows overall with our camper. And as we notated, we got 14th gen F-150 handles throughout, and the interior looks a lot like that 14th gen as well. Door panel wise, you got the American flags come over now too. Steering wheel, 12-inch screen. Get a good little start for you. I love the full digital cluster now too. Looks so much more premium. Gives you a lot better information to see too. Overall, got Super Duty, added place there for your phone. Still have the slider. Shifter is up top here. No console shifter on the Super Duty because consumers like myself like the actual extra spacing there. Got 4 cup holders also. Got the heads up display. Man, I love that. That's going to benefit those long night rides. But got great features as far as our camera angles and views. Rear 180, hitch camera, trailer camera. Great functionality. Heads up display, infotainment, steering wheel. F-150th feels great. Has a very comfortable overall feel to it. Interior, my first thoughts about the truck, I'm very excited about it. It has an F-150 feel to it on the inside and some attributes on the outside to go along with it. The time has arrived. I'm so excited about this. I'm even more excited than any truck I've ever had, which is hard to believe. The 350 Race Red Lariat Everest Edition. It's already been 5-inch lifted with the Performance Series from BDS. Look at this, all the glory right there, new radius arms. We're sitting on 35s right now on a 5-inch kit, and we're gonna see a huge transformation. Been riding around these stocks for too long, so I'm ready to see how this bad boy looks. Trying to make a statement with this one.
Look at the flake in it. Want to get tried there?
I don't know. The first one is mounted and balanced. I think it's complete gangster. Blake, what do you think about it after you saw the first one? You think it's
I like it.
pretty gangster, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna look good.
Yep.
What you got there? You got a little floater action? You know how we do. Still on the lift, but looking amazing. What you think about it, y'all? I love it. You know, red is my color. Go Dogs, go Titans, go Indians. Red has got it going on. Everest Edition. I am so excited. No trimming so far. We're seeing what we're looking like. 24x11 0. Not bad at all. Not bad. Blake's doing a little minor trimming up front. Besides that, y'all, we're ready to roll in the Everest Edition. So Calhoun got his 37s today on the Tahoe. Real Deal's on the 38. It's been a good day, y'all. Really good day. This is the Calhoun difference, y'all. The details, they matter. Let's go. Sweating my butt off out here, but it's all worth it. I'm ready to run it back again. I'm so pumped up. Hope you've enjoyed this. You saw the final product, some before scenes when I first got it. I'll try to give you more full scope of the process. So hope you enjoyed this. We have a special guest here. Jesse got the camera now too. Jesse, who is behind you? Flash him, just flash him. Let him know what's up.
Ooh, we got Mr. Seth Arnaud from Texas.
What's he doing here?
He's just meeting with us today. He's about to do a incredible Super Duty build on a Lariat F-250.
What color?
Carbonized gray. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is.
Is it going to top your boy Nick Williams?
I don't know. I told Seth that he's coming from Nick's belt.
There we go.
I think we're going to.
Can't have mine though.
That's right. Peace
Peace out, y'all.